Hello friends, today we're going to make the earthquake alarm from the Experimenting with Science set together. First, let's carefully remove our parts from their spots. Press down slightly with our nails while removing small parts. Let's take our large part. These parts will remain as spares. Let's organize our parts before assembling. This is our base. These are our pins. We will use them to strengthen it. Now let's take one of our side parts. Let's fit our parts into place. Slide the other one on top, making sure the edges fit perfectly. Now let's place it on the base. Attach the top part. Then reinforce the parts by inserting the pins. These were our spares. Let's take these parts too. Now let's look at the other parts that came out of the package. A washer, a cable, and a nut. I had previously connected them. A cable with an LED and a battery holder. Let's place these in their spots. First, attach our washer to one end of our LED and position the washer properly. Then place our LED in its spot. Stick our battery holder in place, remove the double-sided tape at the back, and stick it. Before connecting your wires, I think let's attach the nut. First, pass our white cable through our washer, then pass it through the hole on top. After that, pass it through the hole at the bottom and connect it to our battery holder's cable. What are we actually doing? What happens when the nut hits? We are actually completing the circuit. Connect the other end of our cable to our battery section. Ensure our cable is straight. Let's adjust this because it must be centered at the start to prevent it from hitting the side. When it hits the side during an earthquake, the system is completed and the light turns on. Therefore, we need to make sure it hangs just right. The bottom part must not touch. Now let's insert our batteries. Let's see if our system will work. Now let's test if our alarm works. My alarm is working, as you can see when it touches the side.